brought my student for a competition and I tak pump. Alhamdulillah, so it'll be the first pump of the day. Nampak tak? Colour dia. Colour is not giving. It's not good, okay? Please don't follow me. Lepas tu, lagi sebelah. Alhamdulillah, dia punya one of the parts. Part yang ni kan, yang putih kat sini. Tak pasang. Redor. Alhamdulillah. So we're gonna pour this one first. Alhamdulillah. So I'm using M6. I'm going to love it. Kadang-kadang aku tak pakai M6 sebab I keep on going back to my apa nama dia, V2 Pro. Memang cozy as well. But M6 is very good as well, guys. Alhamdulillah. Ramai yang tanya sesuai tak untuk papaya. Alhamdulillah, sangat sesuai sebab I love it. So yeah, but the colour is still okay lah. It's not really that diluted blue colour. Alhamdulillah, blue tint tu still okay lah. Tapi nampak sikit blue tint. Kita nak masuk rumah and then I'm gonna pump a little bit more. Okay, bye.
要是把你刚刚没打喷嚏没录像的录进去的话，估计你现在已经打了3分钟了。
好像打不出来。没有了，结束了。刚刚呀，我干嘛了？我好不舒服呀！